Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you post to Meta Business Suite. So guys, to post to Meta Business Suite, at first just go to it from your page, or you can just go to the URL business.facebook.com. Now from here you can see create post, click on it. Now from here you can see at first from the left side post to, you can just select it and you can select it from your page and Instagram. If you only select your page, it will be posted to your page, and if you select Instagram as well, it will be posted to your Instagram as well. Now from here you can see media. If you click on add photo, add video, or you can use template to your media post. So let's just select a media. As you can see, I've selected this photo to post. You can click on this and you can edit the photo vertically, square, horizontally. You can filter it, you can add text, sticker, alter text, anything you want. Now from here you can just do anything to write. Now from here, by clicking it, you can add emojis. You can schedule options. If you click on this, you can set the date and time. You can boost it if you want, and after that you can click on publish to post it. You can see the preview, how it will be shown, monitor preview or mobile preview, by clicking here like this and click on publish. As you can see, you can boost it if you want, and if you don't want to boost it, click on maybe later. Let's just go to home and see what you have posted. You can just go to your Meta Business Suite and click on content. As you can see, this post that has been posted right now. So guys, that's how you can post in Meta Business Suite. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.